Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Stackline. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest and Photoshop to create any kind of mood board. So the monsoon is coming, and if you search monsoon aesthetic on Pinterest, you will see a lot of inspirations. You can simply use photos from the homepage, or you can open a new tab and get more inspiration linked to the photo. As you can see, there will be some other options to your search like rainy, caption, clips, and when you click them, you will go deeper into your search and you will have more nuanced options. I just want to select the photos that I personally feel connected. Sometimes it takes a lot of time, sometimes it doesn't. And sometimes you also want to explore different options, so you have to go deep down. Most of the time, a photo will take you to another inspiration, but other times you have to type what you actually want to see. So I really want to see some grungy aesthetic photos of monsoon, so I have to type it. Then the photo will take you to another photo and you will get the overall mood. I want some captions, but I don't want some cliched captions. I want some, something very simple yet meaningful. And if you have seen my Photoshop collage tutorial, you know that I'm just dragging the photos to my Photoshop. And Photoshop has a good alignment tool. The pink lines will tell you how to shape or resize the photos. And I personally believe the wiggle room where I really want to do things randomly, but yet it has this professional touch, which is not very professional, but at the same time, it has that simple touch. And I really want to be free when I'm creating a mood board. I don't like to, you know, keep things very robotic. So I do what I like or what I feel I'm feeling at that moment. It's not necessary to end a collage with a text, but if you are going to use a text, you have to follow the mood. So my mood is rain and monsoon, so I'm gonna use a very thin text, not bold ones. And I end everything with a bit of grain. So this is it, and this is just an example. You can go deep down and create your own mood board, and you have to play around. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy.